Hey guys, it's Miss Moore. I just wanted to go ahead and give you the directions for this week's reading assignment. Before I do, I wanted to let you know that for my reading classes, for the reading class, my live Zoom um, is going to be every Tuesday at 1:30 p.m. Okay, it's not required. It's simply my tutoring time where you can join only if you have questions. Okay. So if you already know what to do, there's no need to join the Zoom. It's just in case you need any help turning in your assignments. Okay, so your lesson for this week is we're going to be reading an article called The Day It Rained Cats. The first step is to watch the YouTube video for instructions, and that's what you're doing now. The second step is to preview the vocabulary before reading the article, okay? This step is important because you will have questions on the vocabulary, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click into this icon that says The Day It Rained Cats, okay? And it's gonna open up and it's gonna ask you to log in, okay? So what you're gonna do is click Log In, and then you're gonna click I am a student. Okay, and it's going to ask for a classroom password. You do not need one. Okay, you're just going to scroll down and you're going to click Google Classroom, sign in with Google Classroom, okay, which you're already signed into. Okay, obviously you're going to choose your student email, click your name and your picture. Okay, and for me it looks like this because I already have an account, but you will just click sign in with Google Classroom. Okay, so that is what you will click. Okay, and then it's going to load the article. Okay, so like I said, this step is previewing the vocabulary. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to launch the vocabulary slideshow, and you're just going to read through the 5 vocab that you're going to see while you read the article. Okay, there is this speaker button which will read each vocab word. Okay, and so you'll just go through each vocab word, read, look at the picture, and click the icon before you start reading the article. Okay, so then you can click out of that, and the next step is going to be to actually read the article. Okay, The Day It Rained Cats by Linda Sue Park. Okay, so what's awesome about Scholastic Action Magazine is you can go down and you can click text to speech. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to press pause there. And I want to point out that for me, I felt like it was reading too fast. So you can go ahead and click slow. Okay, and you could click pause or you can even click stop altogether while it reads you the article. Okay, and then if you want it to read it to you, you can press play down here, pause, and then you can press play again for it to keep reading it to you. Okay. So that's that text to speech button over here, okay? So you're gonna go down and you're gonna have it read the whole article to you. Okay, it's a fictional story. And you can stop, okay, right here. You don't need to do anything with this activity, making an inference. That's not what we are working with this week. You are just going to read the article, okay? So once you have read it, then you're going to complete the vocabulary review, okay? That's why it's important that you preview the vocabulary first, then read the article, then do the review, okay? So that's going to be this button here. It's going to be The Day It Rained Cats Vocabulary Review, okay? So you'll click, and it'll take you to the Google form. Okay, so the directions are to reread the vocabulary definitions from the vocabulary review. So you can always go back to the article if you forgot. You can launch that vocabulary slideshow again to remind you what each word means, okay? It gives you, for questions 1 through 5, you're gonna choose the best word from the word bank to complete each sentence. You will type in the word in the space below each sentence. Okay, so your word bank is right here. You've got your 5 vocabulary words: barreling, gaze, partnership, permanent, and scalded. Okay, you'll enter in your email, your first and last name, and then here is where you will fill in the word that best fits with each sentence. Okay, so for example, this one says, in the story, The Day It Rained Cats, the ability to love becomes blank after a year. Okay, so you would choose which vocab word is going to fit, and you will just type in the vocab word right here. Okay, it's just 5 vocab questions, then you will click submit. Okay, since you are logged into Google Classroom with your Google student ID, your student email and your password, you should have read and write. I need you to let me know if you don't have Snap and Read. I mean, you do have read and write as well. Snap and Read works a little bit better. Remember, if you click it, you should be able to sign in with Google. Okay, again, click your email. And if you're needing to, the directions to be read to you, you can press the speak icon and then go ahead and have it read to you. Okay, remember you press it again for it to stop. Okay, so that's the vocabulary review. Then the very last step is to take the quiz. Okay, so this is going to be this bottom one here, the Day It Rained Cats quiz. And again, you're going to answer the questions. Again, you can use Snap and Read or Read and Write if you prefer. You would click it, click on, and then click the icon for it to read the quiz. Okay, so again, you'll put your name and then you're going to answer the comprehension questions. Make sure to go back into the article to find your answers. Okay, you do have a whole week to do this. Questions 1 through 6 are going to be multiple choice, and I did eliminate one answer choice for you. And then 7 and 8, you're going to need to type out the answer in complete full sentences. Okay, and then you'll press submit for that. Okay, and then that's it. So first, watch this video, do the vocabulary preview. Okay, once again, when you get, you'll click the article, and then it's going to be the very top of the article where it says vocabulary preview. This article is vocabulary and launch slideshow. Okay, and then you'll actually read the article. Remember, you can do text to speech for it to be read to you, and then do the vocabulary review and the quiz. Okay, and if you guys have any questions, just as a reminder, Tuesday at 1:30 p.m. is when I'll be starting my tutoring time if you need help on Zoom. Okay, and I will post the link in the class stream. Okay, so that's really it for this week's lesson. I'm here to help you, and again, you're going to have until next Monday, April 13th at 2 p.m. To get it turned in. Okay, good luck, and let me know if you need any help.